and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the insertion sort technique in data structure. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better where my video lecture. I start our program in Turbo C++ before we can understand some theory points. So in that is a my book in IT field, and that is a C and data structure. So that is a cover page, and chapter number 3. Yes, that is my book. So I open, and that is we can learn some theory part. So how insertion sort work, and we can also learn the difference between selection sort and bubble sort. So yes, in my first video lecture, I what is internal, external, and what is so ascending and descending A to Z, Z to A. So here that is a I also take iteration table. Yes, that is a first, second. So in selection sort, first iteration, that smallest element in the zero index, and then bubble sort. Yes, I cover also program and then algorithm. You can look here, selection sort algorithm I also take in my book, so you can refer that book. Yes, recommendation. Yes, also cover the complexity of that worst case, average case, and best case. So bubble sort in first iteration, the largest, so that is a bubble, like you have to know what is a bubble. So yes, that is a largest element set n minus 1. So 1 minus, because index start with 0, so here that is a fourth index, that largest element in first iteration. So inner and outer, so outer loop execute one, and inner loop complete that all round first. So that is your largest element set at the n minus index. So what is a difference between bubble and selection sort? So you can look here, I give also different in table format, so you can easily write, and I take 5 or 6 different. So first type, it is a faster short technique compared to the bubble short. Yes, selection short. And bubble short, it is a oldest shorting or short technique. So here type, yes, which type, so point to removal, that you have to not write in exam. So this part and this part, just that point is remember for you, old and new. So it is a new and simple short is used. So selection is a new, and bubble, it is a oldest and simple short in use. Compare, selection short work by comparing the first element to rest of all item and swap if required, and bubble short work compare to each item in list with item in next to it and swap them if required. So next element compare, first iteration. So in this technique, first iteration complete, then we find the smaller element at the zero index or zero place. In this technique, first compare, then first iteration or compare, then we find the largest element n minus plus or that position. So item is selection short work, selection smallest unshorted item to remaining in the list, and bubble short work compared to each item in the list. Inefficient, it is horrible in inefficient, so large list that not take, and it is insufficient, so largest list. So that is a different I cover in my book, selection short and bubble short. And now in this session, yes, what that is very important, insertion. So that is a mean internal, that is we cannot get in first iteration to any small or large element or zero or n minus index, because ultimately last step we cannot judgment that all repeat our complete round, then automatically that is shorted. So you can look, insertion sort is a faster than bubble sort. In this short technique, we can compare first element to next element, and if element is greater than next element, then swap it. After the second, compare to the next element. If second element greater than the next element, then swap it, and continue this process until we find the whole shorted list in the ascending or descending order. So in this technique, we can't find any largest element at the last element or a smallest element at the first until shorted whole list. So complete you have to not judgment. So zero or largest or smaller. So you can look here, first iteration. So that is a 9 compared to 5. So yes, here that is a 9 is greater than, so swap, you can look here. So that is a first iteration is complete. Then second iteration, yes, then 9 is compared to yes, so yes, that is again swap. Then 9 is compared, so here that is a complete, yes, only 2 is swapping, rest of element is same. So now you can look here, so 9, yes, here that 9 is compared to 3, so that is a swap. So again that is a in go back, means backward. So 3 first 8 compared to 8, so here that is a swap. And you can look now 3 compared to 5, so that is a 5 and uh, 3 and 5 swap. So fourth iteration, yes, you can look here. So 9 again compared to 1, yes, 1 is here. Then 1 compared to 8, yes, 1 is here. 5, 1, yes, compared to 1. And last ultimate you can see that is 3 and 1. So that's swap. So all list is shorted. So that you cannot judgment any first iteration. And then I take the algorithm that advantage is, yes, insertion short, it is very simple short technique, it is very easy to implement. And disadvantages of insertion short, it large list can't handle, it is not efficient shorting technique, it is shorting technique, we cannot find any larger or smallest element to our list. So ultimately at the last of the step, we can find our shorted list. And then I cover in my book that is program, and then input output what is, and then taking algorithm. So now we have to start. Yes. So let us, I open Turbo C++, how to implement to our program in Turbo C++. So yes, wait, that takes some time. So editor is open. So yes, that is a very insertion short. Yes, so compared to bubble and selection, that is a better, but quick and merge is best technique. So first we can take here. So that is our third, and that name is a insertion short. So that is shorting. So yes, that is a third technique I cover in my YouTube channel. So you can refer first to technique selection and bubble, and then take this video lecture. So yes, now I include our header file. So that is a conio and standard input output. And then I directly take the void main. And now what to do? So first we can take as static. So that is a x, yes, pi. Then I, yes, first I take a scan and print. Then we have to apply to our logic. So that is we can take one message. So enter 1D, one dimensional array elements, yes, and then you can take one for loop. So for loop is the best for that is array programming. So here that is a insertion short technique. So yes, I less than 5 and I plus plus. Now we can first scan. So yes, here I provide the slash n, and then can take, yes, that we can say that is printf. And you can look here. So here we can that is a best technique. You can also uh, print the index scan time and print time of uh, array programming. So that is a you can identify which element store in which place. So yes, then x of I, yes, ampersand x of I. So that is a complete or scanning. Then what to do? So yes, that is I just copy and paste. So control insert and shift insert, copy and paste. So that is a get ch, yes. So perfectly. Now what to do? So yes, here no. So no, no. So yes, that is go back to our program. So yes, here you can look here, that is two statement, then opening and closing brace is compulsory. But now, yes, here only one statement we can print. Yes, so only one statement, then brace is optional. Opening and closing brace is not required in one statement in all loop and all decision statement. So you can look here only one statement in for loop. And now we can provide here slash n. So that is I also print the index and now change the message not enter but 1D array element R. Yes, that type of message as below. So yes, I first save this file F2 I press and that is ins and short sort and dot c. Yes, because that is turbo C++ editor. So you cannot apply that is an extension. So that's save in C++ extension CPP. So that is a we cannot cover in because here data structure using C language. Yes, you can also apply in C++, but here we can insertion short, and that is C language we have to use. And maximum 8 character here file name. So perfect. And now you can look here. So first we can scan and print with index. So yes, compile. Yes, so what is here? That is a yes here remaining the semicolon. Yes, so that is very simple. So now perfect, and we can give any number. Means randomly I give the element, so you can look index and scan time index and print time index. Yes, no worry. So how, yes, index is better to watch how which element store in which place. So that I print and scan time x of I. So index start with 0. So x of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, because we can take as array 5 element. And now what to do? So we can apply to our logic. So yes, I copy this part again. So we can print in 2 times, before and after. Yes, you can also only 1 time. So yes, we can say that before just 1D array, before shorting. So before short 1D array element are, and then here give the message afterward. So yes, after shorting or short 1D array element are, and then in between we can apply to our logic. So now I can start. So yes, here first that is not in insertion, that is insertion short. So bubble and selection we can take two nested for loop, but here I take as a one for loop and inner is a while loop. So I start directly one, not a zero, and I less than just 5, then I plus plus. So that is a perfectly. And now what to do? So yes, here that is a j variable. Yes, and then I take as I. So yes, first I declare j is not defined. J and temp variable is required. So two variable we can increase. And now what to do? So yes, that is now we can take one while loop, and that j is greater than or equal to 1. Yes, that is our while condition. And then j, yes, we can j equal to j minus 1. So you can also directly like j minus minus decrement operator. So that is if you understand. Otherwise j equal to j minus 1, that is also same statement. Now yes, in that is a while loop, and we can provide one if condition. So that is x of j, and then less than, yes, x of j minus 1. So that if condition is true, so that we can compare. Yes, if our zero element is less than to next element, so that is a swap. We can already see in our iteration. So that is a based on this logic. So yes, we can take x of j, not I. Here I is not using that our if condition. So all are j, and then x of j is free, means we can take that value into temp variable and then assign to j x of j minus 1. So that is swap, and x of j minus 1 equal to temp. So that is the interchange. So you have to know this swap logic. So like two integer variable we have to swap using the third variable, and also possibility two variable. We can also watch in my YouTube channel. I also take only two variable and two integer also swap. So that is also possibility, but here we can use as third variable, and that is a very best simple logic I developed. So now I can save. Yes, and let us check first any. Yes, I think perfect. So yes, you can look any. So sometime what happen? I, yes, here all are I, and j, yes, here all are j. So you can because I and j. So if any typing mistake, so that is a taking error or not perfect shorting. So before you can run first all that part you have to complete. Yes, here that is a while loop. Yes, here that statement come into the before the while loop. Means inside the while loop. That is a statement in the while loop. Yes, so perfectly. So yes, now we can run this program. So yes, that is a perfection. So let us I save F2 and then compile. No any error. Let us check. So yes, I give the randomly. So that is a let us check short or not. So yes, give the 2. Yes, so let us check. So yes, that is a perfectly. But yes, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9. Yes, so only one slash n is provided. Otherwise, all list is perfectly print. So here we can provide an after or before. So after, yes, that is required slash n. So that is perfectly. And now I implement this program. Yes, you can also take the watch window and observe how element is swapped. So first that is static array. Yes, that is a static array. Now I convert into dynamic. So pointer we have to take and remove this static, and then one that is a n. So that is the size of array. So we can print one message. So we can say that enter 1D array size. So let us check, and then scanf function. So yes, percentage d, then ampersand n, yes, and then x equal to malloc or calloc. Yes, both you have to apply, and n multiply. So malloc is only one argument in that. So size of, yes, so size of is a operator, and we can provide integer because that is a integer array. So integer pointer, or that is array is pointer and pointer is array in internal memory. So that is a both. And here type casting is required. Yes, must be, because malloc function is return data type is a void pointer. So we can must be type which type of pointer is same type is here, and same size of we can type data type character. So pointer is character, so we can pass character. If double, so double, float, so full float. So that is a long, so long integer. Yes, and then malloc and free. Yes, after we have to print, we can apply the free function. So that is a deallocation memory. So x only pass, and then one header file is required, and that is name is a allocation. So allocation. So yes, include, and then allocation dot h. Yes, so yes, you can look here. That is a allocation and deallocation. That is a word. So allocation and deallocation. So deallocation means release the memory. So that is work as a free function. So now I compile. Yes, that no any error. Now I chance only t. So that is only scan as a 3 variable. So you can look. Yes, I cannot change. Yes, that is a, we can give the n variable to everywhere. So that is a static. So yes, we can change. Yes, here required to change in for loop. You can look here, that is a static. So I remove this static and n. Here also n, and then here also our logic n. Yes, not anywhere. That is a while loop, and last that is n. Now perfectly. So first I not change. So that take as static 5, but now I 3. So now only 3 element you have to scan. So let us check. Yes, you can look 8, 6, 9 and 6, 8, 9. That shorted. So yes, how it's work? Let us check. Yes, you have to know. So I directly start in my C language. I take as watch window. So how to set as perfectly? So directly start to here. Possibility. So what to do? So yes, you can go that place cursor and control F8. So that is a red line, and now we can set the watch. So just alter W, and you can look here also W, that is a watch window, and then alter W again, and then output window. So you can look our last output. And now how to set, I think you have to know in C language. In my YouTube, so many video lecture in C language. So you can observe, I take also watch window in my that session. So yes, here first how many variable you have to set. So yes, here we can take like I and j and x of j, and we can take yes first yes I give the temp variable, and then I take as x of j, then I take x of j minus 1. So yes, I think, and then n, yes, that is also, yes, all are we have to cover. So now how to start? Yes, I control F9. So our red line, that is a stop and start the watch window. So you can look. Now I give the only, or we can give the 5, but that is, let us take 5. And now I give the randomly, you can see that is, you cannot, so here I give as possibility, you can see perfect wave watch window, and then just 2. So last is smallest and first is smaller. In between, I give the mixing. So yes, now you can observe here. So I is here, that is a 5, but now that is value is changed. So yes, I press F7. Yes, you have to know that is a uh, letters is we can trace in 2. So F7 function key. So I press, now you can look, I is 1 and j, yes, j assigned to I. So j is also 1. Now j is greater than equal to. So I give the equal sign because that is a while loop and condition is true. So yes, j. So what is a j? So j is 1 and element is 9. And then j minus 1. So element is 3. Yes, that is a less than. So condition is not true because here you can look here 9 that is a uh, first, that is here that is a j, yes, j is 1, so that is a 9 element and less than, so not, because t is not less than 9, so condition is false. And now j minus 1, yes, now, so you can look here, so j is greater than or equal to 1, no, while loop is false. So first iteration, no any change, because that is a smaller element. If 9 is here and 3 is here, so that is interchange, but that is a not the case in this our example. So yes, first iteration, no any change. Now j minus 1, so if while loop is false, and I plus plus, you can look, I is now 2 and j again assigned to that is a our, so that is a reverse backward. Now you can look, so j is greater than equal to 1, yes, condition is true. Now what happens? So here that is a j now 7 7 then in j minus 1, yes, that is if condition is true, because 7 is less than to 9, so that is interchange in second iteration. So that is a one round complete inner loop, so that is a one iteration table. Now temp holding to the first, that is a 7 element, you can look, now temp is assigned to 7, and then that x of that is a j index 2, now that is a 9 element, and now j minus 1, that is a 7 element, you can look here. So both are interchange, and j minus minus, so that is a again compare, j is greater than equal to 1, yes, now what happened? So yes, that is a 3 less than or 7, no, that is while loop is false, j minus minus. So yes, while loop is false and I is plus plus. So I is 3 and now j is 3. So that is continue process. So again, if condition, so here what comparison? So j is 3, so 5 and then 7. So yes, here no, first that is a change. Here is 9 and 5. So you can look here. So that is interchange. So because 7 and 9 that interchange, but here not display. So temp assign, yes, condition is true. So again, temp assigned to 5, and then here 9, and then temp assigned to our j minus 1. So that is a 5. So that is interchange. So 9 is here and 9 and 5 is swapped. So now again j minus minus. So comparison is start. So j is minus 2. So 2 is now here is 5, and that condition, yes, sir, that is a true, because that is a, here is 7 and 5, so you can look here, so that is interchange, yes, 7 is come to here and 5 to up, So that is a continuous. So small element, that is insertion. So internally small element go into the our lowest index, and big element go into down position. So ultimately last that all our element is shorted. So yes, j minus 1, yes, again, so greater than, yes. Now what to do? So yes, 3 is a smallest, so there is no any change. Yes, while loop is false. J minus minus, while loop is false. And uh, now I plus plus, so I is 4 and j is also 4. Now same process continues. So now at last, yes, here 2. So all last that round, 2 is ultimately at the 0 index. So you can look here. So 2 and that is a 9. Yes, so condition is true. So all that is swapped. Now I think you have to understand. So j minus minus, yes, again 2, and that is which element? So you can look here. That is a 7. So j minus 1 is 7. So 2 and 7 is interchange. And again j minus minus. So 2 is come to the 0 index in this iteration. Yes, again that is a 2 and 5. So yes, that is also swap. And then 2 and 3, yes, so 0 and 1 index. So 2 and 3, so 2 is come to 1 index and 3 is a 0 index. So now that is interchange. So 2 is a smallest element set to the, and now while loop is false because j is 0. Our list is shorted because that is a last element that come to the all 0 index, and all that is a big element go into down. So ultimately our insertion internally shorted. So now I think, I hope you can understand. So you can look 2, 3, 5, 7. You can here directly observe in output window. So that is a better and free. So you can look now that all are perfectly our shorted list. So I take as watch window. Now how to remove this watch window? So yes, here first I press the F9. So this selection is gone. You can look here. And now I press F5. So that is a full screen. And then you can go in the red line and again press the Control F8. So that red line is gone. So yes, I hope, yes, you can give any number. All now I run last time. So I give like any, like 4. So 7, 10, no worry. You have to give any number of element. So that is a possibility. So yes, I give the 3. So you can look 3, 4, 9, 6, 9. So yes, I hope you can understand. And here, yes, how to calloc. So yes, M I remove and C and two argument in calloc, only comma operator. So that is a n and size of integer, and calloc and malloc. So that is similar, but that is a different. I also cover in my book. So you can read that my book. Yes, that I recommendation to you. So yes, any I give the randomly element. So yes, you can look, that is a calloc as it is malloc work, but both are different. That is dynamic memory allocation, but that technique is different in internally. So yes, I not discussed to here. So yes, all is well. So I hope you can understand that is insertion short, and I also take the watch window and here for loop, and that is so you can look here. That is my technique. So yes, first what is a input, then what is a process, and then yes, what is a output. So yes, here shorting, yes, that is our you can see that is our input part. And then I also print before the, but that is not required. You can print that as well. And that is our process logic. And last, that is our output of shorted ascending or descending. Yes, here I that is a run. Yes, last time, because we can just change that if greater than. So you can look now. Again, I run and give the file size of element. So that is a descending order. Yes, so you can look. So 9, 8, 6, 3, 2. So ascending or descending, just you can change that relational greater than to less than, and less than to greater than. So ascending to descending, and descending to ascending. So I hope now you can understand. So that is the insertion short. Write this program to your book and develop your this program insertion short algorithm to in yourself. So yes, I close Alter F3, close this file, that watch window, output window, and message, and quit Alter X. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.